we are going to look into the story mode. So let's get into it. It's loading the story mode right now. The story mode, it looks like a kind of like a game kind of feel. You could see there it has a map where you navigate the character and you move through the map, and it's an interactive way of learning about the hardware and software of this computer, the Raspberry Pi. And you can move it up. Over here, it's interactive. The reason being, when you talk to these guys, it loads the programs within the game. And here's loading up one right now. So we're gonna just practice it. So you cannot touch the cable. If you touch the cable, it's I lost. So that's one. There's many other things within the software within the story mode game, but it's a good way for the kids to become aware of the functions of how this computer system works. And they talk about the HDMI port and all this other stuff. So this is the map right here. And the map, you have the beach, that's the SD card, then you have the power here, the logic gate, power, and you can jump around in the map. Oh, these are the other areas. So you can jump once you discover those areas. And so that's it. That's what the story mode is all about. So now we're gonna go back to the dashboard, and that's right now it's loading into the so these are the different modes. So you have the classic mode here. It looks something like this. That's the classic mode. And here where you have those squares up here, that's the dashboard. And the dashboard, pretty much here you can launch the story mode. So the one, this icon right here, that's the one you press story mode, and then it's gonna load. It's loading right now, the story mode, and we already went through the process, and you can jump in the map when you discover the areas. So here's an area that's not discovered, so you gotta move the character to get there. So let me move over here. That's an area they already been through. And as you can see here, you talk to the that's so the kids will interact and move around and play with the keyboard, and it tells them what to do. And then you continue and you keep exploring. Here's the other section. That's the power. Then you can get into the building. You can get into the building right there. And then within the map, there's other sections. You can keep moving up. You keep moving up, go through the ladder. You can talk to the characters here. It's just an interactive way of how much I understand by. So that's what it looks like, story mode. So it keeps moving up. Let me go down. So that's one of the it's a game interactive way of learning about electronics, computers, programming, that whole 9 yards. So now we go up, say go, they keep moving in the map. So the reason I don't have a screen capture of this is because uh, there's some kind of problem doing a remote session under the story mode. So that's why I'm recording right now with my cell phone. This, and I'm recording the audio so separate. So that's the issue. But in general, you have the character, and the character, like here, will talk to this person right here. You press enter. Say internet connection not found. Connect now. Launch settings. So you can do it from here. I don't have internet in this router. So now it's going through the process of adding the network. So we're just gonna cancel here. It's gonna go back. So the story mode, it takes you actually through the whole. See, so it has some settings that you can touch on and keep going in the map. You can go through the jungle. So it's just like a game kind of way of getting into the system. And this is very interesting because it will make the kids want to play, at some kind of challenge or something, so it's the system in a game and learning about electronics and programming and setting up the computer system and getting information and depth of, what is the power supply, what is the HDMI, how you do wireless connection and stuff like that. So let's quit this. Also, there's a section where you learn about Python. Let me see if I can get that to there. I think that's somewhere here, I believe. You can jump in the map once you Vector Village. Oh, it's here before. Probably not there. So if I get here, so you can move around the character. I'm trying to get to the other section where it teach you how to navigate on the Linux system. See, I think it's this way. Let's talk to this little guy here. Your computer can do incredible things, but it's just a big pile of switches. See, and like that. And I think I'm not in the wrong section. Say escape. I need to go here. Here. I'll go up. Okay, so I gotta go up, around, and come down here. Okay, escape. So go up. Around. And coming out. Okay, here is. I think it's under this building. No, I think we're in the back. Here? No, not there. I think it's around here. It's somewhere here. Hold on. Trying to get there. Oh, I think it's here. Yeah, it's here. So you go there, and then here it launches another program within the game. Continue story. This is another program that comes with the Kano operating system. It's called Terminal Quest, and allows you to learn about Linux commands live in the system itself. So see, for example, here you type cat arm, so it gives you instruction. It's like a story, and it gives you the output. Let's do ls or wardrobe, no wardrobe, and then it says let's do cat wardrobe / t-shirt, and then see, and it gives you the output. And as you progress, it gives you now trousers right there, see, and finally cap. And no, actually you gotta doing a mistake. Cap. There you go. So that's how it looks like now. And you see now you're gonna do a ls shelves. So you follow the story. You know what I mean? So that's the point. That's the point. You follow the commands, and then it's different stages that you go through. And so that's it. That's what I want to cover about and then it has the quest here. Every time you get some kind of batches. Now you go home, go dashboard, yes. We go back to the dashboard, and this is the conclusion of this tutorial, going into the story mode in Kano. Give it a thumbs up, share, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll see you next time. Thank you.
Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.